This incident occurred at a cramped loading dock, where a pedestrian attempted to cross through a narrow gap between a parked truck and a vehicle backing into position. By entering the driver's blind spot and misjudging the closing speed, the individual became pinned between the two vehicles. Thanks to the quick intervention of bystanders and the driver's swift reaction, the vehicle moved forward to free them. This serves as a vital safety reminder. Always avoid the no zone between heavy vehicles, as these gaps close instantly. Remember, if you cannot see the driver in their mirrors, they cannot see you. In industrial zones, stay alert, listen for backup alarms, and never prioritize a shortcut over your personal safety. Taking a few extra seconds can prevent a life-altering accident. This video serves as a critical safety warning regarding improper lifting procedures. A forklift operator attempts to transport a heavy engine using unstable, makeshift rigging while a worker bypasses the safe zone to manually steady the load. Due to poor communication and unsecured equipment, the engine suddenly falls, striking the individual. This incident highlights vital safety lessons. Always maintain a distance from the fall zone, use only certified lifting attachments rather than manual force, and ensure full PPE compliance, such as hard hats and steel-toe boots. In industrial environments, even a split second of complacency or a shortcut can lead to life-altering consequences. Prioritizing strict operational protocols and safety knowledge is the only way to ensure every worker returns home safely. Safety must always come before speed to prevent such avoidable accidents. This security footage serves as a sobering reminder of the critical importance of workplace safety in industrial environments. At approximately 10:00 am, a male worker was operating a large industrial press when he moved to the rear and attempted to reach inside, likely to adjust materials. Due to a lapse in situational awareness and a failure to follow lockout-tagout protocols, the worker's upper body was caught by the hydraulic press. The immense force trapped the individual, leading to an immediate loss of consciousness. It was only after the machine retracted that the worker was released. This incident highlights that safety is not just a set of rules, but a vital practice. Operators must never enter a danger zone while machinery is active, as a single moment of distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. Always prioritize safety to ensure everyone returns home. This sobering CCTV footage from a material processing facility serves as a critical reminder of workplace safety. The incident unfolds when a worker enters the immediate operating zone of a heavy-duty industrial baler, which utilizes powerful hydraulic pistons and moving arms. Instead of maintaining a safe distance, the worker stands in close proximity to the mechanical components. While preoccupied, the machine's heavy hydraulic arm strikes him from a blind spot, leading to a severe injury as he becomes caught within the mechanism. This serves as a powerful cautionary tale. Always strictly adhere to safety zones, maintain constant situational awareness, and respect the immense force of industrial machinery. Never trade a moment of convenience for your physical well-being. Safety must always come first to ensure every worker returns home safely at the end of the day. This footage captures a hazardous workplace incident involving a forklift and a flatbed trailer. While the operator positioned the forks, a worker entered the danger zone to assist. Due to a lack of situational awareness, the operator moved forward, pinning the worker against the trailer. This severe impact highlights critical safety protocols. First, always maintain a safe buffer and avoid pinch points between machinery and fixed objects. Second, ground personnel must only enter the area once the forklift has reached a complete stop with forks lowered. Third, establish clear communication using standardized hand signals. Never assume you are seen. Finally, operating heavy machinery requires total focus. A split-second lapse can lead to life-altering injuries for everyone involved.